Okay, start.
Yeah. Hi everyone.
Hi.
So may I know from which place you are?
Prasanna Jyoti akka.
Okay, I think you all are, Kannadigas, right? You are speaking Kannada.
Yes, akka.
Yeah, I know a little bit
Yeah.
Kannada. Chennagidira?
Yes, akka.
Okay,
ನೀವು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ
fine.
ಮಾತಾಡಿ, ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ವಾ?
So, my name is Saujanya. Okay, I'm a college student. So, may I know your names, please? Can you please introduce yourself like one by one?
Okay,
Any two students, that's okay, fine. Yeah, what's your name?
My name is Christian. I'm studying in second standard. My school
Okay.
name is Indra Priyadarshi.
Nice.
My
Then the
name
second
is
girl?
James. Sixth standard.
Okay.
My name is Lakshmi. I'm studying in first standard. My school name is Indra Priyadarshi. My
Nice.
name is I'm studying in first standard. My school name is Indra Priyadarshi.
Uh-huh.
Medha, 9th standard. Indra Priyadarshi.
Just say your
Sorry.
names, that's it.
Medha.
Okay.
Varsha.
Nice.
ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಟರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ, ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇರ್ರಿ. ಎಲ್ಲ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೇಳಿ, ಸರಿನಾ? ಶೇಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಯೂಸ್
Yeah,
ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ.
someone raised their hand. What's her name?
Bhavani.
Okay, nice.
Ansa.
Uh-huh, very nice. So you know why I am here right now? And why did I present this screen before you all? Actually, I'm here to tell you about this game actually. This game is called as anger game. What is it? Yeah, this game will be very useful and quite helpful for you all. Actually, this is an indoor game. I think you all are not allowed to play outdoor games in this pandemic, right? Because of COVID-19, you're not allowed to play, together outside. It's very dangerous for you all. Yes or no?
Yes, akka.
Even I am also not allowed to go outside and, I just stay indoors. So that's why, we came here to introduce this game, and I all welcome you to life skills. Okay. So you all play indoor games, right? Like chess, carom board. And this game will also be very interesting for you all. So this game is nothing but the anger game, which helps you to control your anger. Well, first of all, I would love to ask you a few questions. Anyone can answer. They can raise their hand and they can answer to my question. Like the first question I would like to raise is, what is meant by anger? Like, what is anger?
Kopa. Kayateli. Kopa.
No one knows the answer. Like anger, yeah. One girl raised her hand. Yeah, you can say.
Kopa.
Sorry, I couldn't hear you. What did she say, ma'am?
Akka Kopa.
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ
Yeah.
ಅದನ್ನೇ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿ.
Kopa. It means that the anger. So in order to reduce your anger, this game will be very useful for you all, because this game is only introduced to reduce your anger and you lessen your anger. Because when you feel angry, you will cause some embarrassment to others who are near you. Like you will scream, you will yell at them, right? If you feel so angry at some certain situations. Yes or no? So the second question I would like to, pose is, what do you do when you feel angry? Ma'am, I cannot see your video, ma'am. Yeah. I just asked you a question, like when you feel angry, what do you do?
ಮಕ್ಳೇ,
Anyone
ನಿಮ್
can
question
answer
ಹೇಳಿ.
this question?
We will scream.
ಮಕ್ಳೇ,
They will fight, they will
ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ
scream.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ.
Yeah.
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್.
Yeah,
ಸರಿನಾ?
mostly whenever we feel so angry, we'll just scream at others or we'll just yell at others. You know, that causes hurt to others as well. So you shouldn't behave in that way, right? Yes or no?
Yes, Akka.
Yeah, so now I would like to introduce this game. First of all, this game is divided into 5 parts. How many parts?
5 parts.
Yeah, the first thing is anger deck, and the second thing is quiz deck. Third one is true or false. Fourth one is question and answer, and the fifth one is case study. You can all see on the screen, right? Like there is true or false, anger deck, quiz, and anger deck, and there are some case studies on different colors, right?
Yes.
Yeah, fine. Do
ಎಲ್ಲ
you
ಈ ಕಡೆ
all
ನೋಡಿ.
have dices with you? Dice.
Yes, Akka, they have.
Yeah, okay, fine then. Now I will also play with you all. First of all, let me tell you this. Let me tell you about this game. So when actually this game is played with the help of dice. Without dice, you cannot move forward in this game. Like for example, if you roll a dice, I would like to request one student to roll the dice and tell me the number.
Dice, okay.
Akka 2.
Number 2.
Akka 2.
Okay, fine. Then you will start from here and then your dice will end up at the true or false. Well, in the true or false, I will ask you some questions and you need to answer related to the anger. Okay.
Okay, Akka.
Mostly in the true or false, I will ask the questions and you need to answer because it helps you in reducing your anger. And the first question I would like to ask is, it's a yes or no question. It's true or false. You can say true or false basing on the question, okay?
Okay, Akka.
Listen carefully. When I am angry, I might want to throw my toys or other things. Do you agree with this? True or false?
ಇನ್ನು ಕೋಪ ಬರುವಾಗ ಟಾಯ್ಸ್ ನ ಅಥವಾ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಬಿಸಾಕೋದು.
Yes, Akka.
Yeah, actually you shouldn't behave like that when you feel angry. Like you shouldn't throw your toys at others or you shouldn't, yell at them. Okay, do you understand?
Yes, Akka.
Okay, fine then. So I would like to, request one student to roll the dice again so that I can explain about the game very much.
5, Akka.
5.
5.
So you are in the true or false. It means your number is 5. Again, you need to move forward 5 steps. Yes or no?
ನೀವ
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You are in a safe zone now. It means you will not be posed any question or you will not, you will not be asked any question by the other person. Well, this is about the true or false. I hope you all understand, right?
Yes,
Yes,
Akka.
Akka.
Yeah. Next comes this. At the 12 number, you can see anger deck. Can you see?
Yes, Akka.
In this number, you need to do some activities. If your roll is, if you roll a dice, if the number is 12, when you land on the anger deck, I'll tell you some things and you need to do those. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, fine. Imagine you're angry. If you're angry, you need to start counting from the numbers 1 to 10 slowly. Can anyone count slowly from 1 to 10?
Yes, Akka.
Yeah, anyone can do that now.
1, 2, 3.
ನಾನೇ ಹಾಕಿ ಕೊಡು.
Did you understand?
Yes, Akka.
Yeah, you need to slowly count the numbers from the 1 to 10, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. you know, when you count these numbers, then definitely it will help you to reduce your anger at that situation. Fine.
Okay, Akka.
So now I have explained you about the true or false and the anger deck. And you know, yeah, when you land at the quiz, same thing. I'll ask you some questions and you need to answer those. Like these are, you know, different